Hey everybody, welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're diving into 15 powerful steps to master self-motivation and achieve your goals. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Let's face it, we've all been there, feeling stuck, uninspired, and lacking motivation. It's a universal experience, one that can feel overwhelming and disheartening. Change starts with acknowledging the need for it. Recognizing that something isn't working is the first step towards transformation. Look in the mirror and say, "This isn't enough, I deserve more." Affirm your worth and potential. Motivation comes from action, from taking that first step. Each small move forward builds momentum. The moment you decide to change, that's when the magic happens. It's in that decision that new possibilities emerge. Embrace the struggle, because that's where growth lies. Challenges shape us, making us stronger and more resilient. Now that you've acknowledged the need for change, it's time to define your why, your driving force. What truly sets your soul on fire? Dig deep and uncover what truly matters to you. Once you've identified your purpose, write it down, make it tangible. Keep your goals clear and specific. A clear purpose fuels your motivation and guides you through challenges. We live in a fast-paced world, and it's easy to lose sight of our goals. With so many distractions and responsibilities, our dreams can quickly fade into the background. Make them visible, surround yourself with constant reminders. These visual cues can help keep your focus sharp and your motivation high. Write your goals down on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them daily. The more you see them, the more they become ingrained in your mind. Create a vision board filled with images that represent your aspirations. This visual representation can be a powerful tool to keep you inspired. Turn your goals into screensavers on your phone and computer. Every time you unlock your device, you'll be reminded of what you're working towards. Keep those goals front and center. Let them fuel your drive every day. By making your goals visible, you create a constant source of inspiration and motivation. Visualization is an incredibly powerful tool for achieving your goals. Don't just visualize the end result, visualize the process. See yourself taking daily actions, overcoming obstacles, and staying committed. By visualizing the process, you're mentally rehearsing for success. We often get overwhelmed by the magnitude of our goals. Real progress is made through consistent small steps. Break down your goals into manageable actions you can take daily. Focus on small wins and watch as they compound into extraordinary results. Every marathon begins with a single step. You can't operate at your peak if you're constantly running on empty. Fuel your body with nutritious foods and incorporate regular exercise. Prioritize quality sleep. When you're well rested, you're sharper and more alert. Taking care of your physical health is an investment in your success. Step 7. Develop discipline. Motivation isn't always going to be there. Discipline is the bridge between your goals and your actions. Build small, consistent habits that strengthen your discipline muscle. Set daily non-negotiables, tasks you commit to completing no matter what. Discipline is the key to unlocking your true potential. Step 8. Clean up your environment. Your environment impacts your focus, productivity, and motivation. Declutter your physical space and get rid of anything that doesn't serve you. Organize your workspace to promote focus and efficiency. Create a designated work area free from distractions. Clean up your digital environment too. Step 9. Create urgency. We often procrastinate because we lack a sense of urgency. Time is our most valuable asset, and it's constantly slipping away. Set deadlines with real consequences. Make commitments to others, or set financial stakes to hold yourself accountable. When there's a deadline looming, our focus sharpens. Step 10. Plan ahead. One of the best ways to set yourself up for success is to plan ahead. By organizing your tasks and setting clear goals, you can navigate your day with confidence and efficiency. Take some time each evening to plan out your tasks for the following day. This simple habit can make a significant difference in your productivity and stress levels. Write down your top priorities and create a roadmap for your day. By identifying what needs to be done, you can focus on what truly matters. When you wake up with a plan, you start your day with purpose and direction. This proactive approach helps you stay on track and achieve your goals. Take control of your time by planning ahead. Whether you use a digital tool or a traditional planner, the key is to be consistent and intentional with your planning. Step 11. Use competition as motivation. Sometimes a little healthy competition can ignite your motivation. Think about those who doubted you. Use their negativity as fuel to propel you forward. Channel that competitive spirit into positive action. Let the doubters fuel your fire. Step 12. Emulate role models. Surround yourself with greatness. Study the actions, habits, and mindsets of those you admire. What can you learn from their successes? How did they overcome challenges? Emulate the actions and habits of those you admire. Step 13. Consistent progress. The journey to success isn't always linear. Focus on consistent progress no matter how small. Celebrate the small wins along the way. Stay consistent, stay persistent, and never give up on your dreams. Step 14. Reward yourself. Rewarding yourself for your hard work is essential for staying motivated. Set milestones along your journey and reward yourself when you reach them. Acknowledge your progress and celebrate your wins. Step 15. Do it for others and yourself. Sometimes the greatest motivation comes from knowing our actions impact others. Think about the people you love and let their support fuel your fire. But remember, it's about you too. You deserve a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Believe in yourself and never stop striving to be the best version of yourself. Take control and ignite your life. Thank you for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. Take control of your life today.